All right, so here we have an equation in slope-intercept form. So y equals mx plus b, and we want to get it into standard form, which again, just as a reminder, is ax plus by equal to c, where a is greater than 0, and then a, b, and c are all integers. So in order to first get this into this form, notice how the x is on the right-hand side of my equation. I need to move it to the left-hand side. So to get rid of it on the right, I would subtract 4/5 x. Property of equality tells me if I subtract 4/5 x on that side, I must also do it on this side. So subtract 4/5 x. X and y are not like terms. So I can't combine them. So I'm just going to start with rearranging it with my x up front. So it's negative 4/5 x plus y, because we have a positive y, is equal to negative 5. Now some of us may stop there and be like, oh, standard form, ax plus by equals c. However, there were some rules that we need to follow, that a needs to be greater than 0, and right now it's a negative. And then a, b, and c need to be integers, so they need to be whole numbers. Well, in order to get this a, since it's a negative, to be a positive number, well, a negative times a negative is a positive, so I'm going to be multiplying it by a negative. And then I need to get rid of my denominator, so I need to get rid of the 5, so I'm going to be multiplying it by negative 5. Notice how when I do that, negative times a negative is a positive, and then I can cross simplify here, so dealing with ones, so this just becomes positive 4x. But if I multiply that term by negative 5, I must also multiply all the other terms by negative 5. So this becomes minus 5y is equal to negative 5 times negative 5, which is 25. So now this equation is in correct standard form, with a being greater than 0 and all of our terms being integers.